take my hand and we'll go away to a different place, float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, ready to begin, and just levitate.
Man, look at them ragged ass
what's going on,
shoes,
man?
dog. Okay, fine. Now shut up. Hey, man, let me get a swig.
What's on now, little man? What's on now?
Oh, this ain't gonna be pretty.
See a wine bottle? I just want to smash it over. Oh, I don't want to let it down.
No control over where we go, but we don't care to know. Ignorance is bliss. Your tears are gone, and they drifted back from where they came, and they will not be.
Cite your granary, sire.
Just you and me, man. Talk to me. Hello, pussycat.
Special rates can be worked out on a case-by-case basis.